Hello, it's Fred Atwater here. It's Tuesday morning. I'm going to go into the office here shortly, but I wanted to show you on Square an update. Remember, this is a cup and handle that we entered on. You can go to stocktargets.com or just Google cup and handle, and you can see what the pattern is. If you go back here, look at the what we did with the position here. Hang on, let me turn off that draw tool and turn this other one on. We came on Square, we had a cup and handle form right there, and then as I saw that next day candle, that one form is when we entered. We entered at close on seeing that cup and handle form, and it has done very nicely since then on this nice upward trajectory that was statistically expected that the stock would do it. Today, the stock, or actually the last several days, it's shown a higher high and a higher low for a nice steady uptrend. Notice the upper Bollinger Band at 2 standard deviations off the 20. It is following that up very nicely. This RSI is a little hot down here, sitting at 80, but I know this stock has a tendency to bump to 80, and at times it's really gotten overheated here, and then it gives a nice clean signal for when you want to go short or sell on the stock, but it hasn't quite done that for me yet. We also have this earnings event occurring very shortly in the future here. My target here is the top of this stick. I put a crude sort of a drawing stick right there on Square. The height of that stick, if I grab it like this, let's go activate. I actually just did a crude measurement here, and I went like that. I went boom, okay, that's the depth of the cup, the height of the cup, and then I made that my, after it breaks out right there, I make that the target. So the target's sitting there at 76. I want to actually sell a little bit prior to that, so I set here, I'll tell you what, let's adjust that right now. I want an alert notification. I want to adjust my alert, replace with an alert at let's go 75.5 on this stock here, so that it sends me a text or email when the stock trades right there, and that could be my sell, because you want to sell into strength, not, you don't want to sell it as it's going down, because you won't get as good of a price for the thing. Liquidity is not quite as well. If you're trying to sell into sellers, you want to sell into buyers. All right, let's look at the risk analysis graph real quick on this baby. Let's go analyze tab. All right, again, I've shown this a number of times, and last video that we did, we were sitting down here at $1,000 P&L. And as of right now, we're just shy. It's changing around because the market's fluctuating. We're just shy of 2,000. When I looked at it earlier this morning, it was sitting at 2,000. So in 1 week, that's $1,000. Just in terms of delta appreciation and theta decay, actually theta differential decay, because the shorts decay much faster than the longs. All right, you can see the baseline position here is 10 contracts each side, a leap here at 17 Jan 20, and a short side at 17 August, which the 17 August one is post earnings as well, and so far that trade is doing very nicely. Again, sitting at about $1,800 in this chart. I expect if earnings go decent without some big massive surprise like we had on Netflix, that we're going to make upwards of, we're going to make in this target zone right about here, right at about $4,000 on the trade. As long as the stock trades between 76 and about 68.5 or so, between those two price points right there, we should make plenty of money on the trade. We should double, at least double where we are from right now in the next several days. All right, that's it for the short video update on Square. Thank you, and have a nice day. Thank you.